Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by making sure Gboard is active and you're a text field. Once done, bring up the keyboard and look for the emoji icon. On some phones, you long press the comma or enter key instead. Tap that icon to open the emoji panel and notice categories at the bottom: people, objects, symbols. You're starting from the active keyboard because emojis live inside Gboard. Keep the panel visible while you follow the next steps to insert and customize them. Now focus on locating the emoji you want. Swipe horizontally across category tabs or tap the icons to jump to people, animals, food, and symbols. Alternatively, use the search field at the top, type a word such as smile, pizza, or thumbs to filter results. Tap a single emoji to insert it into your message. If an emoji offers skin tone or gender variants, long press the icon and slide to the preferred option before releasing to insert it. Finish by tailoring how you use emojis. Open Gboard settings to enable emoji suggestions and personalize suggestions so you see emoji recommendations as you type. You can also save frequent emoji sequences using clipboard snippets or text shortcuts to paste rapidly. If emojis fail to display, make sure Gboard is updated, toggle keyboards in system settings, or restart the app. Sometimes clearing Gboard cache fixes rendering issues. If problems persist, reinstalling Gboard usually restores full emoji support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.